are doing great and you're all excited for today's class. So people, today is a very important session because we're going to look at statistics and that's going to help you ace your JEE main statistics part. Okay. So today I'm going to discuss all the important concepts and questions which might pop up in your exam. Okay. So that is the whole objective for today's class. That's why I put a message in the Telegram group as well, because I don't want anybody missing out on such a good lecture. Okay. So people, are you ready? Can I see some yo or fire in the chat? Please let me know. Hi, Inia Priyan. Vanakkam man, vanakkam. Nice to see you. Then we have Khyati. Welcome. Radhi is here. Padma is here. And Suhani, nice to see you. You guys are all right on time. And that's always a good, what do you say, virtue, I guess. Awesome, people. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see everybody. Akila, welcome. Uncharted is also here. Very good evening, Uncharted. I don't know statistics. Can I watch? Sridhar, you can watch, but at least the basics you should know. What is the mean? What is median? What is mode? At least you should know what is standard deviation, what is variance. If you know that, then this session will be good, because this is a problem solving session, my dear. It is what most expected questions. And I really don't want anybody to miss this out, because guys, I'm going to discuss some super rock solid questions which might come in your exam, actual exam. Okay, so let's get started. For those who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph. I was a student like you a few years back. To be precise, 8 years back, I was also a student like you. I attended coaching classes. I prepared for JEE mains. I wrote that and I got Tamil Nadu State Rank 5. And then I wrote JEE Advanced to get into IIT, which I did clear. And then I did my graduation from there. And after that, I love teaching. I love talking to students. I love being a positive impact in a few students' life. And that's what brought me here to Vedantu. So Vedantu is doing a wonderful job reaching out to people in all corners of the country. Why did we start this channel? Why should we start an English channel? Because we knew in India there are few people who don't understand Hindi. So Vedantu wanted to reach out to these students as well, and that is why we created this. So make sure you subscribe if you really like the content. And I'm not the only one in this channel, guys. You have Shreyas sir for physics and you also have Wasim sir for chemistry. So I'm the mathematics teacher. So if you like our content, if you really enjoy it, and if you feel we are funny and engaging, then make sure you subscribe, because we deserve that if we are keeping you happy. Okay. So, and spread the word, because sharing is caring, and also like the video so that your teachers are encouraged. Okay. Because we also are normal human beings, right? After the session is over, I also check how many people liked it, what are the students commenting. Every teacher does that. So make sure you also comment, you also like the video. That makes our day. Got it? Hello, Kalai Selian. Vanakkam. Nice to see you, Kalai Selian. And did you join coaching when you studied? Yes, Manish. I did join a coaching. I was in an integrated program in Chennai when I studied in Maharishi Vidya Mandir. So you know what I'm talking about. So guys, are you ready to crack statistics with me? Sweating? Yeah, I know. I just came into the studio, so I'm sweating. The AC is on, but still, I'll be all right after a while, guys. So you don't worry about that. Let's focus on the session. Shall we get started? Guys, yes, I'm sweating a lot, I know. It is just that I came from outside. Outside it's hot. Chennai, right? Chennai is known for heat. The 3 seasons in Chennai are hot, hotter and hottest. We don't have summer, winter and all. Okay, so right now we are in the hotter state. Hottest will be in May, June, July. Okay, great, Jaya Viknan, awesome. So people, let's get started. Here we go. The first question, it's going to be a very fun session. I want all of you to participate, because guys, making mistakes, everybody does that. It's okay. Okay, you guys can make mistakes in my class. I'm not going to nag you, but I want you to learn from your mistakes. So when I solve it, you guys have to listen. You guys have to listen and note down where you're going wrong so that you can correct it later on. Got it? Super. Thank you, Akib. So guys, everybody try this out. I want all of you please come with a pen and paper. You guys are in 12th standard. You're not listening movie songs here. Okay? You're not listening to Pushpa, Ooh Antava, Srivalli and all that. That and all is over. Now we are listening to statistics. So please use your pen and paper, put it to work. Great. Super, super, man. Ramya, Uncharted says A. You guys are awesome. Everybody is right. Uncharted, you're right. Sabrinath, that's not correct, Sabrinath. And who else is right? Dakshin is right. Who else? Abhinav, Nani Reddy. And guys who are watching the recording, please make sure you also pause it and try it out. Don't look at the chat for answers. Don't look at my solution. First you try, because there are a few people who might watch this later. Maybe this year, maybe next year, maybe 10 years down the line. But please pause the video so that you can utilize this question to the fullest. So here we go, people. The answer is option A. So your friends were right. So for all those who said B, C and D, you guys are wrong, but at least listen to me so that you will realize where you went wrong. See, what is average? Average is nothing but sum of all the values. Sum of all the values. So there are 3 subjects initially, and on top of that I am adding one more. And then divided by 4 will be the average. This is common sense, right? Anybody with a little bit of common sense can write this. Because mean is nothing but average. Average is nothing but sum of all the observations divided by 4. As simple as that. Got it? So now, what am I going to do? I'm going to write the first 3 subjects marks. So it's 75, 80 and 85. So it's going to be 75 plus 80 plus 85. And then I have an x4, which is the 4th subject mark, which I don't know. It can be anything. It can be anything. And then I divide it by 4. So that's going to be 75 plus 80 plus 85. How much is that? That's going to be 240, right? So it is 240 plus the x4 by 4. So that is going to be 60 plus x4 by 4. Now they're asking the least value. It cannot be less than. What is the lowest value it can take? What is the lowest value it can take? I cannot go below this. Lowest value will be when I get 0 in the last subject. Correct now? Did you guys understand what I said right now? If I get 0 in the last subject, that is my lowest average. Correct now? As simple as that. So if you put 0 here, I will get 60 to be the lowest value. So his average cannot be below 60. Superb. How many of you enjoyed it? If you guys liked it, then give me a yo. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a fire in the chat so that we can move forward to the next question. We have plenty of great questions like this. All these questions will brush up your statistics, and that is going to help you catapult your score to the top 90 percentile. Very good, Radhi. Very good, Padma. Saumya, ISRO scientist. And Lakshit, very good. Priyadarshini, brilliant Priya. Great job. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Are these JEE PYQs? No, these are questions which might come in your exam. These are most expected questions because I prepared it in such a way that it can repeat in your exam. Okay, so similar questions can come in your exam. That is my guarantee. If you want, I'll even make a video after the exam is over. I will show you proof. This is what I thought. This is what came in the exam. And you guys can check it for yourself to know how good we teachers are at predicting questions. Because we have been doing this for a long time, right? It's not our first year. We have been doing this for 8-9 years now. So we can predict questions, similar types. And that is what we are helping you with. That is why these sessions are so important. You cannot take them lightly, guys. Okay? Fantastic. Great, Golu. Venkat, am I late? You're late by 10 minutes, but that's all right, man. You just missed one question. So continue from this one. Try to solve from here. Don't spam the chat. Okay? Please don't spam the chat, guys. Uncharted says C. Janet says C. You guys are right. You guys are absolutely right. Radhi is right. Janet Johnny, Kavya Reddy, Sabrinath, and then we have Radhi. Good job, guys. Not bad. That's absolutely right. Somebody is saying A. Devi Krishna, A is not right, my dear. Okay, check it. A is not right. Okay. What about others? Saumya, very good. Harshavardhan, very good, Harshavardhan. Yogananda, you are also right, Yogananda. I'm so glad you got it right. Kumar, super. So now people, let's solve it. What happened? The mean of 100 items. So what is mean? Mean is nothing but sum of all the items divided by total number of items. So 49 is the mean. It is nothing but sum of all the items divided by 100. So what is the sum of all the items? The sum of all the items is 4,900. Till here, did you understand? I want to go step by step so that every single soul which came to attend this session should learn something. You should not be watching and thinking, what is he doing? What is this sir doing? I don't know. I don't want anybody to feel like that. So I'm going step by step. Please follow and let me know if you have a doubt, guys. Okay, you need to be active in the chat. Cool. So this is your sigma xi. Sigma xi means the sum of all the observations. But now I made three mistakes. What three mistakes? The observations 60, 70, 80. By mistake I wrote it as 40, 20, 50. What? The observations, three observations, 60, 70, 80, these are correct values. These are the correct values. But I wrote them as 40, 20, 50 incorrectly. So if I have to make this incorrect correct, I need to add the difference. So 60 I actually took it as 40. So difference is how much? Difference is 20. So I need to add 20 to 4,900. 70 I wrote it as 20. So what is the difference? The difference is 50. I need to add that. 80 I wrote it as 50. The difference is what? 30. So I need to add that. So this difference I've added, now divided by total observations. Total observations still is 100 only. Guys, total observation is still 100 only. It is not 103. Because in that 100, 3 observations which I wrote wrong, I corrected it. So totally the observations are 100 only. There is no change in that. So if I divide it by 100, I'll get my answer. So that's going to be 5,000 divided by 100. That will be 50. And that's my answer, which is option C. Did you guys like it? Was that amazing? If everybody got it, if everybody is happy, then give me a fire in the chat. Give me a yo so that we can go to the next question. Yup. Fantastic. Hello. Vikas. Welcome, man. Abhinav, super Abhinav, correct. Ershad Begum, welcome. Then we have Vikas, super. Rajavel, fantastic. Priya, great. Suhani, Rajaram, Riyaz, you guys are awesome. Keep it up, people. Now let's go to the next question. The next question is right on your screen and I want everybody to do it. This is a very good relation which you might have studied in your 10th standard. And you guys would have forgotten it by now, I'm very sure. Most of you would have forgotten this relation, but I wanted to give you this question so that you can refresh those memories, okay? You can bring back the past. Great, Kalai Selian, super. Harshavardhan, fantastic. What is the answer? Sabari, you are right, man. This time you got it. Good job, Sabari. Very good. Absolutely right. But Danush, you made a small mistake. Are you sure you are right? Are you sure you are right? Check it. Hi, welcome Prasad. Nice to see you, man. What is mode and median? Robinson, that you have to learn. Those are basics. This session is for 12th standard. If you are from 9th and 10th and 11th, you may not understand. This is not the right time for you, okay? I will teach you, don't worry. If you are a student of mine in V Master, then don't worry, my dear. When you come to 11th and 12th, you will be next level because the Vati will take care of you. Very good, Uncharted. So the answer is option A, guys. The relation is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Please don't ever forget this. This is important, okay? And this is valid only for moderately skewed distribution. Moderately skewed distribution. This is very, very important. Note down these terminologies. Moderately asymmetrical distribution is also known as moderately skewed data. Moderately skewed data. So only for those kind of data, this relation is valid. You have to be careful. Okay. Are you all happy with it? So now let's go forward and conquer it. What is mode? Mode is 6 lambda. Median we have to find out. So we don't know. Minus 2 times of mean is how much? Mean is 9 lambda. That's it, my dear boys and girls. You are done with it. You are done with it. So that is going to be how much? That's going to be 24 lambda by 3, which is 8 lambda. So 8 lambda is your median. Everybody enjoyed? Can I get some fire in the chat? Please revise and go. Kalai Salian, I am revising. When I am solving, I am revising. That is the revision you get. Because this is at the end, last lap. I expect you to revise the formula and come. Okay, I'm going to conduct many such sessions. Don't worry. This is just the beginning. I want you guys to be more regular and involved. When we take classes, very few people turn up. We want you to be more involved and participating, because for teachers, that's massive encouragement. Okay, so from now on, it's a new beginning. Let's all work together as a team, and I'll bring some amazing sessions where I cover every chapter in a detailed manner so that you guys can ace your JEE mains. Everybody should aim for 90 percentile. 90 percentile is top 1 lakh out of 10 lakhs. So I want our students to be in the top 1 lakh. It's possible, guys. It's possible. Okay. So shall we move forward? Everybody ready? Amazing people. You guys are lit. So the next question is over here, and I want you to take a table and solve it. This is a slightly different question. It may or may not come in JEE mains, but I wanted to cover this also so that the entire chapter of statistics, you are all very confident. Okay, so that is the whole point of this session. I want this whole chapter to be a confident chapter for all of you guys. Okay, so let's try to do that. And for solving this question, you need to use a table. Okay, so make sure you guys draw a neat table, write down xi value, fi value, and then figure out how to go about finding your mean deviation. Okay, very good, very good. Rahul, thank you so much. Tanush, if you are doing silly mistakes, you have to practice a lot, my dear. Okay, even I used to do that. I used to make calculation errors when I was a young boy like you. But more practice, dedicated problem solving, that takes you up higher. Okay, cool. Shalem Raj, very good man. I think you might be right. We will check it, don't worry. Super, super, super. Crash course will be in English or Hindi. Dexter, it will be in English, the crash course. You can access it today because the Republic Day offer is going on. You can check it out below the description of this video. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you so much. Super. Everybody says B. Guys, I'm not very sure about the answer, but let me solve it for you. So guys, did you all draw a table like this? This is very important. If you drew a table like this, you are half correct. So what is the CF? Everybody comment in the chat. Everybody should tell me in the chat. What is CF? CF means cumulative frequency. Is that right? CF means cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So total is 20. So what will be the median? The median will be the middlemost value. So middlemost value will come here. So 12 is the median. 20 by 2 is 10. 20 by 2 is 10. Guys, I'll tell you how to find median. Listen carefully. 20 by 2 is 10. So 10, where does it come? It is after 5. So after 5 means it is this class. So it is going to be 12. So 12 is the median value. So the median value is 12. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation is xi minus a divided by n. This is your mean deviation. About a. But where are they asking? About median. So here a is median. So here a is median because they are asking mean deviation about the median. Like this you have to practice, my dear people. Like this you have to practice. You need to understand the concept. This is the concept of mean deviation. About A. But here what they are asking? About median. So I found out median. That is why I did it. Okay. So it will be what? Xi minus 12. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2. But modulus will make it plus. Modulus means plus. 11 minus 12 is minus 1. Modulus will make it 1. 12 minus 12 is 0. 14 minus 12 is 2. 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is what? This is your 2, 1, 0, 2, 3 is nothing but the deviation. Now, how many times this deviation is there? 2 times this deviation is there. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 1 is 3. 8 into 0, 0. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 3, 12. So this addition is going to be 7, 13, 25. So this is going to be 25. So answer is what? The mean deviation is sigma fi di by sigma fi. So it's going to be 25 by 20. So you guys are all absolutely right. 1.25 is absolutely correct. How many of you liked it? If you liked it, give me a yo, give me a fire in the chat. Krishna Kumar, fantastic. Rahul, very good. Ershad Begum, thank you so much. Very good people. Okay, Nikhil Reddy, here it is only one data, man. Here you have only xi. There is no class interval. So don't worry about it. Okay. Ishika, welcome Ishika. Nice to see you after a long time. I hope you're doing good. Very good people. So with that, let's go to the next question. I am glad you all solved it. So this is the solution. Guys, please make sure you join our Telegram group, because in our Telegram group, we will share all the PDF for free of cost. Okay. All these PDFs wherein we discuss some high quality questions, they'll be shared to you in the group. So make sure you join it and utilize it for your preparation. Okay. And if you really want to intensify your preparation, you can also check out the JEE crash course, which is available in Vedantu for just 8,000. It's in English. It is just below this video. Right now, Republic Day offer is going on, and that is why it is 8,000. Otherwise, it's normally 9,000. Okay. So check it out if you are really looking forward to kill your JEE main. Okay. People, shall I solve this? Are you all ready? Yes, sir. We already joined. Arshad, awesome. I'm hoping that you are enjoying it. Shalem Raj says A. Are you sure? No, man. Check it. Yes. Wait, sir. Okay. Uncharted. Do it. I'll wait for you. Is it real? Yes, Arshad. It's right now available at 8,000. I know. It has been massively reduced in price. Good. Janet, you are right, Janet. Next level only. Very good, Janet. That's amazing. What about others? Guys, try to finish it off. Come on. Cumulative frequency. Sumitra, yes, that is over. That question is done. I am in the next question now. So come to this one. Okay. Radhi says B. Harsha says B. You guys are right. Very good, Harsha. Very good, Radhi. Padma, Rajat. What about class 11? Ishika, I have a surprise. I'm going to do something for class 11. Please wait. You will get to know by tomorrow. Okay. Amal says, sir, please solve it. Yes, I'll do it, my dear guys. These type of questions are very common. If you are a sincere JEE mains aspirant, you must have seen previous year's questions. So when you see previous year's questions, you will see questions of this kind, and you will know what I'm doing makes a lot of sense. And it really improves your level for this particular exam, JEE main. Got it? Even for VIT, even for BITSAT, and even for your Manipal entrance test. Okay. So people, any engineering exam, these topics are important, and I want you to score well in them. So let's get started. What do we have? Mean of 5 observations. We know 3 observations. The other 2 observations, can I take it as X and Y? Are you guys happy with that? We don't know the other 2 observations. I will take it as X and Y. Are you guys cool? Yep. So now, what is mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of all of them divided by 5. The sum of all of them divided by 5, that's equal to what? That's equal to 4. So I'll get X plus Y is equal to 20 minus 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. So 20 minus 9 is 11. 20 minus 9 is 11. So this also satisfies, this also satisfies, this also satisfies, this also satisfies. So with just this relation, I cannot say anything, because 9 plus 2 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, 3 plus 8 is 11, 5 plus 6 is also 11. So the options are very beautifully designed. So what is the other information I have? The other information is their variance is 5.2. Their variance is 5.2. So how do you solve that? That's the next question. So shall we look at it? Are you guys ready? Okay, so what is variance? Variance is nothing but sigma xi square by n minus your mean square. Sigma xi square by n minus your mean square. Is that right, people? Are you able to get that? So what is your variance here? 5.2. 5.2 I can write as 52 by 10. Okay, so that's equal to sigma xi square is what? It is 1 square plus 2 square plus 6 square plus x square plus y square by 5 minus mean square. Mean square is 16. Got it? Are you all happy? Now you guys can complete it very easily now. So 52 by 10 is nothing but 26 by 5. So cross multiply 5 to the other side. You'll get 26 is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 36, 41. 41 plus x square plus y square minus 80 is what I have. So x square plus y square, what will I get? X square plus y square equal to 65 is what I'll get. So I got two relations. X square plus y square, x plus y. So there'll be only one option satisfying. Don't solve them. Use the options. Don't solve these two. It will be a waste of time. Instead, use the options. That will be faster. Was it amazing? Okay. Very, very good. Arshad Begum, that's amazing. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Jaya Govind, fantastic. I will definitely try to do, but I want your participation. You guys should be active. You need to be active in the live, because when we bring these sessions with a lot of good questions, we expect people to take it seriously. Okay, so that is something which you all have to do for us. Got it? Keep Menti, Uncharted Menti. How much time I should give, I don't know. If I give 2 minutes, I'll have to wait for 2 minutes, man. That's the problem. Okay, super. So with that, my dear boys and girls, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Please try to solve it. This is a beautiful question. Guys, the concepts which I'm discussing, they're all next level. They're all next level, which are so important for your exam. Okay, this one is also one such question. So please try it. I'm sure you will like it. You will learn something amazing. Guys, you are all answering very fast. Think about it. Absolutely, Amal. I'm glad you liked it, Amal. I'll bring more such sessions wherein we discuss some fantastic questions. But like I said, you need to be present. You need to be live and energetic for these classes. Okay, that means a lot. Uncharted, that's wrong. That's wrong. Uncharted, check it. It's a good question. You have to try it. Sindhu says B. Study only says D. Dhanush says A. Dharani Dharan. Welcome, Dharani Dharan. Nice to have you here. Okay, so people, what is the correct answer? I have got 3 options or 4 options. All options are covered now. Some people are saying A, some people are saying B, some people are saying C, and a few others are saying D as well. So what is the right one? What is the right one? Think about it. Janet says 144, A. Okay. Uncharted says C. Dhanush is still sticking to A only. Okay. So guys, I will break the news. The answer is A. So Dhanush and Janet were right. Dhanush and Janet were absolutely right. Arnav, very good Arnav. You are also absolutely correct. So now, can I get to the problem solving part? Are you guys ready? Do you guys give up? Yes. Very good. Yes, Kalaivannan. It's starting on Monday. You can join it. But Kalaivannan, the Republic Day offer will get over this week. So you have to use that. After the Republic Day offer, the crash course will become again 9,000. Okay. So you think about it and decide. Super. So guys, let's get started. How do we solve this? See, what happened is, initially the marks were out of 75. Initially the marks were out of 75. But now the teacher raised it to 100. So if the teacher raised it to 100, how do you raise it? You raise it proportionally. Okay. You raise it proportionally. So think about it carefully. So if your marks were X out of 75, out of 100, your marks will be 4x by 3, correct na? Out of 100, your marks will be 4x by 3. Direct proportion, direct variation. Super na? Did you guys like it? So every observation, I'm gonna increase it by 4 by 3 times. I'm gonna make it 4 by 3 times of the original value. How many of you understood this? So if I got 50 out of 75, or let's say if I got 48 out of 75, if I got 48 out of 75, that means it is 64 out of 100. These two are the same. How many of you understood that? 48 out of 75 is the same as 64 out of 100. Direct variation. See, Suhani, if you got x out of 75, you got x out of 75. Okay. Now I want to make it out of 100. I am your class teacher. So how much will you get out of 100? That is nothing but x into 100 by 75 na Suhani. Very simple. So 100 by 75 is 4 by 3. So that's how I did it. Did you like it now? Super, na? Priya, now you understood, na? I gave you a very simple example. You got x out of 75. Now I am your class teacher. I want to understand how much you got out of 100. So that is direct variation. Is that right? So that's going to be direct variation. So what am I doing here? I'm just using that direct variation method. So it will be x into 100 by 75. It will become 4 by 3x. Super. Very good, people. So now every observation. See guys, standard deviation. I'm telling you some golden words. Now is the time wherein you have to listen carefully. Okay, everybody. What are the golden words? The golden words are standard deviation does not depend on change of origin. Now change of origin means everybody will be scratching their head. Sir, what do you mean by change of origin? Change of origin means when I add or subtract something, my standard deviation does not change. For example, you are all my class students. You got some marks in your exam. I feel bad for all of you. So I am giving plus 5 marks to everybody. Everybody likes it. Shimon sir, you are very good sir. You are giving 5 marks for free. Everybody. So when I give everybody 5 marks, will the standard deviation change? No. Standard deviation will not change if I give addition of 5 marks to everybody or subtraction of 5 marks to everybody. So whenever I add or subtract a constant to all the data, my standard deviation will not change. But if I multiply observation, if I multiply, see, if xi standard deviation is sigma, then if I multiply by k to every observation, then the standard deviation will become k sigma. Okay. So now I am multiplying by 4 by 3 to every observation. So the standard deviation, now new standard deviation will be 4 by 3 of old standard deviation. So 4 by 3 of old standard deviation is what? Old standard deviation is 9. So 4 by 3 of 9 will be what? It will be 12. Did you like it? So the new standard deviation will be 12. That is your sigma. Did you all like it? Next level. Such a beautiful question. Now, what did they ask? They didn't ask new standard deviation. They asked variance. What is variance? Variance is equal to standard deviation square. So it's going to be new standard deviation square, which is 144. If you enjoyed it, give me a fire in the chat. You said standard deviation will not change. Suhani, if I add or subtract, it will not change. But here I am multiplying, Suhani. I explained it very clearly. Here I am multiplying by k. Therefore, the standard deviation will become k times the original standard deviation. When you multiply, standard deviation will change. When you add or subtract a constant to all the observations, standard deviation will not change. Just like that for variance also. Variance does not depend on change of origin. That means variance will not be affected if I add or subtract something to the entire data. Did you all like it? LPP is there in JEE main syllabus. Yes, it is there, but generally questions don't come from there. Okay. Very good, people. Thank you so much. So with that, people, let's go to the next question, which is right on your screen. Everybody, please do it. Very, very interesting question. Easy. Easy question. I'm sure you will get it right. Thank you so much. Is there only one confirm question from statistics? Yes. Study only. Every year from statistics, you will get one question for sure. From statistics 1, from mathematical reasoning 1. Okay. surely you will get it. That is why I have kept this session. Okay. Arshad Begum, this channel is English channel. Okay, so I'll majorly talk only in English. Master is Tamil channel. There I'll fully talk in Tamil only. Okay. So if you want to see me talking in Tamil, you need to go to that channel. Here it is JEE level, only in English. For all the audience who want to learn in English, wherever you're from, you might be from Kashmir, you might be from North, you might be from East, West, South, doesn't matter. This channel is for everybody. Okay. Great. Thank you so much, people. What is the answer? D. You are all lovely. When I teach you something, you guys grasp it very well. Okay. When I teach you something, you guys grasp it so well. That is the beauty. I just taught you this a few minutes back and now you guys have answered it well. Brilliant job, guys. Keep it up. So what is happening here? So what happens? The scientist is weighing the weight of 30 fishes. The mean weight is 30 grams. Okay. So this is the mean weight. Okay. And standard deviation is what? Standard deviation is 2 grams. Now what I'm doing is every observation is actually underreported. Every observation is actually underreported because the machine is faulty. Because the machine is faulty, every observation is underreported. That means xi is actually less. So the actual value yi will be, this is the actual reading, it should be our reading plus 2. So yi bar is equal to xi bar plus 2. Did you guys like it? Because if every observation you add 2, then the average will also increase by 2. Let me tell you, if class average of your class is 50 marks, if the class average of your class is 50 marks, if I add 5 marks to everybody, now the class average will become 55. So this is the individual observation. Every individual observation I am adding 2. So the new mean will be old mean plus 2. So the new mean will be old mean 30 plus 2. So 30 plus 2 is what? 32. Because the original values are underreported. So xi is smaller than yi. Got it? So I need to increase it by 2. Why? Because every weight is underreported by 2 grams. So this is underreported. So to come to the correct value, I have to add 2. I have to add 2. Did you all like it? Super. Okay. Now that is your mean. So mean is 32. So I have 2 options 32. But then there are standard deviation. Just now I taught you when you add a constant to all the data, your standard deviation will not change. When you add a constant to all the data, my dear students, please understand your standard deviation will never change. Because standard deviation and variance, they don't depend on change of origin. What is change of origin? Change of origin means when you're adding or subtracting a constant to all the observations of your data. Did you like it? So that is why your standard deviation will not change. 2 will remain 2 only. Original standard deviation was 2. Now also standard deviation will be 2 only. The new standard deviation will also be 2 because adding a constant, standard deviation will not change. Got it? Only when you multiply, that is called as change of scale. When you multiply or divide every observation by a constant, that time standard deviation will change. That is called as change of scale. Okay? I hope you guys like it. Super. With that, we will move forward to the next one. Great. So this is the next question, boys and girls. Everybody try it out. Here I am teaching you new formula. I'll give you the formula. Coefficient of variance is equal to sigma, that is standard deviation by mean, into 100. So this is the formula. I am trying to cover each and every aspect. So people, please try to understand it, try to note it down and practice it after the class. Okay? Practice it after the class. Is permutation important for JEE? Abhin Joy. Yes, man, absolutely. Permutation is quite important. Okay, you need to be good at it. Permutation is good because it is used in probability also. Okay, so because it is used in probability, it has a lot of weightage and it's a very nice topic. It's more of logic and aptitude. You don't have to mug up formulas. Okay, so it's a good chapter. Don't leave it out. Okay, so what about others? Thank you, Jashwant. I'm glad you liked it, man. Shriram, Moopanar, this is English channel, man. In V Master, I'll talk fully in Tamil. This channel we have everybody, na? We have people from Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra, Telangana, North. We have people from Rajasthan, we have people from Arunachal, we have people abroad also. Okay, so this channel I talk in English only, but in V Master, that is purely Tamil, don't worry. Okay, great. So people, what is the answer? The answer is 50. No guys, the answer is 10. Okay, I'll tell you how. The answer is 10. This is the right answer. So nobody told A. Janet Johnny, next level Janet. I can see you're improving like crazy. Good. I can see your improvement. Amazing. I think the droppers batch helped you a lot. Next level only. Good job, Janet. I'm glad for you. So now people, how do you solve this? Let me teach you. Listen carefully. Mean is 50. So denominator is 50. So sigma by 50 into 100. So it is actually 2 sigma. So if I find sigma, question is over. What is sigma? Standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. This is one definition of standard deviation. So if I use this xi minus x bar, so the standard deviation is equal to square of all the deviations from mean summed up divided by n. Okay, square of all the deviations is what? 250. So this value is 250 divided by how many observations? 10 observations. So n is 10. So divided by 10 under root. So sigma is equal to how much? Sigma is equal to 5 because 10 cancel. Root of 25 is 5. So sigma is 5. 2 sigma is 2 into 5, 10. Did you like it? Are you guys happy? Was it amazing? Legendary, na? I have skipped entire coordinate geometry, mechanics and organic chemistry. Will I suffer in JEE mains? Absolutely yes. Okay. You have skipped 3 very important topics. So very high chance you will suffer. Okay. Coordinate geometry is a very easy unit. Don't skip it. Okay. Mechanics is very easy, important. You cannot skip it. Organic, at least few chapters try to learn it. If not everything, at least few chapters which you find easy, you have to do it. Guys, these are all very important. Okay. Super. So with that, people, let's go forward. Hello, Sinoj. I'm doing great, Sinoj. Nice to see you here, man. Great. So this is the next one, people. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, guys. I want everybody to participate. Potter Mania. Yes. I am from Chennai, man. I am from Tamil Nadu. I have a Tamil channel also in Vedantu. Okay, I think still many people are not aware of it. It's called as V Master. Go check it out. Great. When is JEE 2022? JEE 2022 is around March or April is what I'm guessing, but nobody knows, man. Until the government officially announces, nobody can predict. Okay, so I think it should be around March or April, but even I don't know. Jesse, man, I teach only in Vedantu, man, here. Are these JEE mains level questions? Absolutely yes, modern man. These are all JEE mains level. Thank you, Arshad Begum. That means a lot. Welcome. Padma, did you solve it? Try to do it. Come on, guys. The standard deviation is 3.5. Then which of the following is true? How do you calculate standard deviation? So standard deviation is 3.5. So if sigma is 3.5, what is variance? Variance is 3.5 square because variance is standard deviation square. So it is 7 by 2 square. Why? 3.5 is 7 by 2. So variance is what? Variance is equal to sigma xi square. So it will be 2 square plus 3 square plus a square plus 11 square by 4 minus mean. What is the mean of all of them? Mean of all of them also you have to calculate. So 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11 by 4 whole square. So this you have to solve, get a quadratic in A. Can you guys do that? Tell me the answer. It is going to be a lengthy question, but please you do it guys. I'm not going to solve it fully. It is going to be a lengthy one. So 4 plus 9, 13 plus 121, it's going to be 134. So it is going to be 134 plus a square by 4. Is that right? Minus, what will you have? You'll have 5, 16. So 16 plus a, the whole square by 16. Is that all right? Did you guys like it? Now you just have to cross multiply and solve it. I think you guys can handle it. Please do it guys. Everybody, please try to do it. Every single person in the class, I want you to try. Amrita Varshini, welcome. Yes, I know. You are the commerce student of our channel. No problem, Sinoj. When you come to 12th, you will understand all of this. I'll ensure that if you follow VMaster properly. I cannot get the right option. Uncharted is right, Akanksha is right, everybody is right because A is the right answer. Very good. Very good, Danush. Very good, Padma. Very good, Radhi. Superb, guys. You are all amazing. Nishu, welcome. Super, guys. Now, how do you solve it? You just simplify it. I'll probably help you with that. First, multiply 16 everywhere. Multiply 16 everywhere. So you'll get 49 into 4, which is 196. So 196 is equal to 134 into 4 will be 520, 536. So 536 plus 4a square minus 256 minus a square minus 32a. So this is what I have. Now it's just a matter of solving it. So it's going to be 3a square minus 32a. Then you'll have what? 536 minus 256 is 280. Is that right? Yeah, 280 minus 196. So that's going to be minus 84, plus 84. Ultra legendary. Superb, na? It was not that bad. It is easy only. Anadurai. Every teacher has his own flavor, man. Wasim sir has his own style. Shimon sir has his own style. Shreyas sir has his own style. Okay. So teachers, let them be their own style, man. Let them teach in their own way. It's okay. Got it? Perfect. So with that, people, let's go to the next one. Do we have one more question? Yes, we do have one more question. This is also a fantastic question. Please try to solve it. Everybody. Cool. How many days are sufficient for revision and mock test after syllabus completion? Jay Ajinkya, after syllabus completion, at least 1 month of time you need for mock test, for revision, for correction, for error analysis, exam temperament. So you need at least 1 month time. Okay, so my advice is complete the portions by Feb so that March you can utilize for all of these things. Okay? Super, super, super. So people, are you all done with this question? Try to solve it. These are all typical JEE Mains questions. Some of them are actually questions repeated in JEE Mains. Okay? These are all very frequently asked in JEE Mains. Very frequent. Can I study this? For CA, will it be useful? Yes, for CA, this part might be useful because you have statistics. Okay, so statistics will be there for CA. You can utilize this session. Amrita Varshini, this session might be good for you. Super. Priya Madi, the droppers batch started long back. You mean for next year? For next year it will start after May or April only, not now, Priya. Crash course assignments are good for JEE Mains. Absolutely yes. See guys, crash course, it is designed with a lot of effort. Okay, our team spent a lot of time on designing the assignments and the test series. So crash course is my best choice, but like I said, it's your decision guys. If you feel you have to do well, please go take the crash course today only. Start working. Start working, you will be motivated. We will support you on YouTube. Plus the crash course can be a killer combination. It's amazing teamwork. So right now it's on offer because of Republic Day. I will show you how to access it. If you like it, go check it out. So people, how do we solve this question? What is variance? Variance, my dear, is equal to sigma xi square by n minus x bar the whole square. So this is your variance formula. Are you all happy with that? So it's very simple. Now it's going to be 2830. But what happened? One observation was written wrong. Okay, one observation was wrong. This is the wrong value. This is the correct value. So 20 square is present here. So I need to remove 20 square. I need to add 30 square. Now divide by total observation. How many observation? 15. So this is your sigma xi square by n minus mean. What is a mean? Mean is sum of all the observations, 170, but it was written wrong. So I have to remove 20, add 30, divided by 15. This is your mean. So mean square. That's it. That's your answer. Finish it. Tell me the answer. If you all got it, yo, such a simple one. Did you all like it? Was it amazing? If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo, give me a fire in the chat, people. Because you have absolutely nailed statistics now. You have absolutely nailed statistics. Nobody can touch you in statistics anymore. Not JEE Mains. If you are good at these concepts, you can go and check the previous year's questions. You will solve it like that. At the snap of your finger, you will be able to solve it because this is what they ask. It cannot go beyond this. Okay, did you all like it? Everybody cool? Amazing, guys. I'm so happy that you all liked it. The answer is option A. If you simplify this, you will get it. You will get 222 minus 12 square. So that's going to be 222 minus 144 and that's 78. Okay. So that's how you solve it, my dear boys and girls. With that, it is over. It is over. Okay. Okay, we have one more, guys. This is the last one. Okay. We have one more. We have one more. Great. So people, what is this one? You have 9 observations. Okay. So how do you calculate median? So let's say if I give you like this, let's say 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 4, 5, and then you have 1, 7, 6. How much you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So these are the 9 observations. How do you calculate median? You calculate median by arranging them in ascending order. Is that right, my dear people? This is called as arranging them in ascending order. So how do you calculate median? Median, you take the middlemost value. So what I do is, I cancel 1 from the last, 1 from the beginning, 1 from the last, 1 from the beginning, 1 from the last, 1 from the beginning, 1 from the last, 1 from the beginning. Whatever is left out, that is your median. Got it? So even if I increase the last 4 observations, even if I increase, let's say I made this 4 as 7, this 5 as 8, this 6 as 9, this 7 as 11. It doesn't matter because even if I increase them, these observations don't mind because the median is the center value. Anyway, those observations are cancelled. So median will not change. It remains the original. It remains the same as the original. Guys, median will not change if the observations after the center are increased, decreased, I don't care. If the observations before the center, if they are increased, decreased, I don't care. Okay, but if the center is affected, then it changes. If the center is affected, then it changes. Did you all like it? Such a good concept, right? Very conceptual session. Guys, if this 1 hour could help you learn so much, then if you stayed 1 hour, that means you're all serious aspirants. So utilize these sessions. I'll bring more such classes. I will try to do my best to support you in YouTube. But guys, if you want to do a little bit more than that, then my recommendation would be the JEE crash course. Why? See here, sometimes your doubts are not answered because I have to complete the class in 1.5 hours time. So sometimes your doubts may get missed out. But in Vedantu, we have class teachers. Imagine I am the teacher. In the chat, there are 2 more teachers. Wouldn't that be amazing? In the YouTube chat, if there are 2 more teachers apart from me solving all your doubts, that means it is amazing, right? So that is one advantage of Vedantu because there we have class teachers in the class. Okay, so make sure you utilize it. We have part test, full test, which can help you get the exam temperament because many of us are not used to exams, right? Do you sit for 3 hours and write the exam? Do you sit for 3 hours and write the exam sincerely? Sometimes we go to restroom, we go watch something, we talk to our parents, we get distracted. but you have to practice that. So all of that is covered in the crash course. So if you're all interested to be amongst the toppers, like this, last year we had 35 All India rank. Because when I say crash course, you have to ask me, sir, what is your result? Did you produce any result? Good result? Yes, we have proven it. Our crash course students got All India rank 35 and we have 900 people in top 10,000 ranks. So this is a sign that the crash course works, but you have to work hard along with it. You cannot just buy the crash course and sleep and then expect the magic to happen. If you can work hard along with it, then it's a good choice. So it is right now available in an offer. Why Republic Day offer? So it is for 8,000 rupees. How do you access it? I will show you. You have to go to the channel. You have to click on the video which you are watching currently. Just come below the video. When you come below the video, you see here JEE crash course is there. Just below the video, you see here JEE crash course is here. You can click on that. Okay. Yes, Pooja. Absolutely right, Pooja. That is one more great advantage. So I wanted to talk about everything, but I thought you guys will be bored. So Pooja, that is one advantage of the crash course. We give you session PDF. So you don't have to write the notes. You don't have to write the notes. All you can do is just go to class 12, JEE 2022 crash course. There is a batch which is starting on 31st Jan. But please purchase it today because the price is 8,000. It is not 10,000. My coupon code is there. If you click on buy now, it will become 8,000. Guys, it is 8,000 only today. Okay, this Republic Day offer will get over soon. After that, it will become 9,000. So make a wise choice and decide soon. Okay, so that is my suggestion for engineering aspirants. And after that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you join our Telegram group because there only I will share my PDF of today's class. And finally, if you are here for the first time, you can leave us a subscribe so that I can meet you regularly. Triple IT AP is better. It is a newer Triple IT. I would not recommend it if you have other good choices. Okay, but if that is your best choice, go for it. Okay. Hi Google Ashwin, welcome. Great. Can I complete my syllabus side by side with crash course? Jagadish, absolutely. But you have to work hard. See, it is going to be challenging, but it's worth it because these 2 months can change your life. Think about it. Okay. You chose this path. You wanted to choose engineering. You wanted to get into an engineering college, NIT or IIT or Triple IT. So why not work hard and achieve the best? So that's my suggestion. Try it. Okay. All the best, people. Take care. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any doubts, you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram profile is also there in the description. You can check it out. You can ping me there. I'll get back to you. Okay? Cool. All the best, people. Take care. Bye-bye.